I welcome this investigation, pero paulit-ulit namin sinasabi, dengue vaccination program was not a scam. Kung sasabihin po kasi natin ganun, kawawa naman yung ating mga doktor na voluntaryong gumalaw para I do hope that there should also be accountability. Kasi madali kasing sabihin, I represent PGH. Inimbita ba natin yung PGH? PGH ba nagpadala ng mga doktor na ito? Madaling sabihin, I represent PhilHealth. Pero nung tinatawagan namin ang PhilHealth, ang sagot nila, hindi sila naimbita. Ang dali rin sabihin, I represent the Monetary Board. What does the Monetary Board have something to do with vaccination? Ang dali rin sabihin, I represent PCP. But PCP, the Philippine College of Physicians, including its foundation, has sent notice that they were not officially invited and that they have not designated anybody to speak here, and they refer to the experts. Naimbita naman yung ibang mga eksperto, wala yung problema. But bottom line here is, let's have an investigation that is transparent at ulit-ulitin natin, bakit ba ipagkakait natin ang bakuna sa mga mahihirap? Hindi ba dapat kung ano ang nakukuha ng mayayaman at kaya nilang bilhin, yung hindi makabili, i-provide ng gobyerno? Why don't we want to give free vaccines to the children? Why do we want to sell vaccines to the children? If it's a bad program, I'm not in the office anymore, I would respect the decision of DOH or Congress to cancel it. Walang problema yan. Pero, pwedeng i-cancel yan, gamitin yung iba sa pera, desisyon nila yan, pero wag namang sabihin dahil kasi mali, dahil hindi maganda, because those misinformation is actually ruining the opportunity of these children to be vaccinated.